In step 4, I'm now going to worry about shortening and splitting clips. So I'm going to double click on my film. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to View in the toolbar. And I want to make sure that snapping and audio skimming are turned on. So snapping are those yellow lines that I talked about in step 3, where when things match up, it snaps and it shows that yellow line. And then for audio skimming, when I run my mouse over the video, the audio plays. Similar to that. Now, the reason why audio skimming is so important is it allows you to easily make really significant cuts, because you can cut out when the last person talks and the next person is going to talk, because you can see and hear that dead space. If you have a kid who says for a really long period of time, you can skim over that part, find exactly where they finish saying and start saying their next word, and you can make that cut. So you can cut out this extra text, these extra sounds that you may not hear normally, and you can get rid of them because it makes for really good editing and makes for a really strong final video. Now for this specific video, this segment, I'm going to click on it so that there is a yellow box around it. So now it tells me that's the clip that I'm editing. Now I have this dead space from here to the end where these young ladies are not talking, and so I don't need that extra space to be in my video. So there's 2 ways that I can go about doing this. If I go to the very end, I now have my cursor is now changed from an arrow to 2 arrows. That is telling me that I can actually resize my video. So I click and hold, and then I drag, and I bring it to this spot so that it ends. So once they finish talking, it ends right away and it's ready for the next clip. So that is one way to shorten a clip. I'm going to Command Z to undo. There is a second way. If I know they're going to stop talking right here, I click so that it's yellow and selected. The white bar is where I want the video to end. I right click and then I split clip. Now this clip is separated from the original clip. I can click on it and click delete on the keyboard, and now that video is gone. So that is how you shorten and split clips. Now, if I need to get an even tighter edit, I can use the zoom function, which is over here on the right side underneath the video. And if I'm zoomed all the way in, I can see even closer where it is and then split the clip and delete.